See ya, buddy. Off he goes. Just stopping for a coffee. Coffee shop here in Yea called Just Great Coffee, and it's right next door to the Fly Fisher. Great shop. Haven't been in it because it's never open when I drive through, but Fly Fisher in the city's always been a great supplier, good people, and great fishing gear, fly fishing gear. So yeah, Fly Fisher here in Yea. Hasn't been here long, but worth a visit if it's open. Well, hi all, welcome to Fly Fishing and Prospecting with Krazza. Today I'm actually fly fishing. I'm on the Goulburn River, and yeah, I'm going to see how I go. It's been a while. The river's down a bit. I always said I was going to return when the river got down a bit. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I get onto a few good fish. So yeah, let's go for it. And while I'm here, look, I've got these little visitors here that have just turned up. Hey guys, little ducks. Pretty cute, aren't they? Oh, I don't know if that was a bite or not. So I'll just cover the whole river meticulously, you know, do a metre by metre, and if there's no fish, well, there's no fish. Been pretty ordinary so far this morning. I bumped into one of my subscribers, Brendan. G'day Brendan, I hope you had a better day than what I'm having so far. He said he did alright on the Rubicon, so maybe it might be somewhere I need to go. Oh no, that was a snag. Gee, I thought that was a solid bite. Anyway, I think you'd get a snag out that far. Just better check that I haven't bent the hook. Yes, I have. So you can see the hook's a bit bent. So just bend it back. And the one day I was fishing with a bent hook, I was getting heaps of bites, but everyone was getting off. And in the end, I checked my hook, and I reckon I lost about 4 fish, and it was the hook. So whenever you get snagged, always check your hook. So you can see there's been a lot of digging here. That wombat's dug a hole in there. He's probably in there now. Well, I'm not going to check him out because he'll come charging. But look at all this work. I should employ him to dig for the gold when I'm prospecting. Yeah, I've just pulled up at the Rubicon River, and check out that. That is filthy. Certainly can't Euro nymph that. That is dirty as. They must be doing some construction work somewhere, surely. That is dirty as. I'm going to move on. I just got one in here and he come off. Maybe there's another one. Damn. I'm on. Oh, here we go. Got him. Nice little brown trout. There he is. See ya, buddy. Off he goes. Happy days on the board. In this scene you can see me fishing behind that rock, and I'm choosing that area because that's where the water is not moving very fast, and the fish will sit in behind that rock where the water's not flowing, and they'll duck out into the fast water to collect food. So that's why I'm fishing behind that rock, because that's usually where the fish will sit in a river that's moving fast. I don't know if you can see that trout just behind that rock. See him swimming there? Oh, he's just spooked, he's gone. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that short video. Wasn't really a lot of fish caught, just the one little brown. I did lose another brown, it was a bit bigger, but yeah, the Goulburn just didn't fire today. I met a couple of guys who said they'd been struggling on the Goulburn. Once again, g'day to Brendan, who is one of my viewers there that I caught up with on the Goulburn. Hope you had a better day than me. So yeah, like I finished up here on the Rubicon River. I don't know what that dirty water was, but I went upstream and it was a lot cleaner. I did do a fair bit of walking, probably about 1 kilometre, but no fish. I should have gone the other way, I reckon, because that's where I caught the first two pretty much as soon as I got out of the car. But anyway, that's the way it goes. That's why it's called fishing and not catching. So once again, look, thanks for watching and God bless. Bye. Cute's that. Little calf and its mother. Hey. And there's the rest of the herd. A few other little ones. That's the Australian bush, and look at that hill in the background. How beautiful is this? God's country, mate. Beautiful.